I gotta fucking switch to, what do you call it? I gotta switch to, hold on one second. I need to bring up my fucking other account. I gotta bring up E-Trade real fast. Fuck me, man. I just realized I was given a bunch of shit. What up? What up? Dude, first time in life that I'm here before it starts. Jeez, what up, Austin? What up? What up? Oh. Dude, it's freaking Monday morning. I am trying to set shit up. I'm trying to move accounts, actually. I'm mid account moving. Did we win the war again? I mean, we're not really up, though. We cruised last night. I mean, we popped, and then we just dumped. War updates? Let me see. Oh, my God. My fucking hands are hurting me today. So 6 Saudi flag super tankers empty of cargo have changed course in the Gulf. There is no meeting between U.S. and Iranian negotiators scheduled in Islamabad, at least in the next 24 hours. I don't see any great news, to be honest with you. Just that shit that Trump said over the weekend. I don't see anything that's... Dude, my weekend was fucking crazy, dude. Yo, my weekend was stupid. It was so crazy. Hold on one second. Let me just clean up the rest of this shit that I was... I've been working on this fucking website and shit. Oh, by the way, I just got pushed. Well, I just got kicked off. And I didn't get kicked off a prop firm. They basically said I'm on a waiting list to go live. Next Gen put me on a waiting list to go live. So I don't know what's going to happen there. Next Gen, I'm going to be honest. Hold on. So I don't think Next Gen's business model is sustainable when they offer the crazy discounts. So what they do is they have payout caps. They basically have payout caps for like 6 payouts, but you're not going to reach 6 payouts because they're going to push you off the platform. What up, Igor? So what happens is I got so many payouts that they basically said, we're not going to keep paying you in sim, but we have no live. So basically I had to fill out a form. I posted it on X. Let me see if I fucking got it. Let me see what I got here. I posted the letter. There you go. Basically, it just says that, my overall trading profile, they completed their assessment, identified your trading approach demonstrates strong level of profitability, consistency, and execution quality. Based on the strategy, we've concluded that your trading profile will be more appropriately suited for a live trading environment rather than sim. Basically, they don't want to keep paying me. As part of our risk framework, we assess not only profitability, but the nature of trading itself and sustainability. And it's not fit for our current simulated environment because they're not going to make any money on me. They're actually going to lose money on me. So basically, I had to fill out a form. I'll even hit my own like button. Basically, I had to fill out a form to go live with them. So that's where I'm at. What up, Code? So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's where I'm at. Dude, where the fuck's So basically, I got to go. They don't have a live program, and being how long it's taking, how long it took Apex to get one, I don't know when they're going to get one. So I'm just going to sit here, I guess. No work, Amar. What up, man? I just realized I got a freaking. So now I'm looking for. So I hated trading on Tradeify, but I've noticed I hold my trades a lot.
According to sources, Kazakhstan's oil and gas condensate production fell 14% in July from June amid CPC export disruption.
Only for bank employees? Are you a bank employee? What up, Robert? So that's basically what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm looking for somebody I can trade, though. I think I can hook up my Tradeify. That's crazy. Do I hook up my Tradeify? Can I hook up my Tradeify? Dude, I'm going to try this right now. That's awesome. Dude, can I not hook up my Tradeify here? Dude, they're not. I can't hook up Tradeify. I'm not able to hook up Tradeify to TradingView. Does anybody trade a prop firm on TradingView? Anybody? What up, Richard? Let me do that. So I got to go into settings. Settings. Dude, it says it's active. Look, it says it's active. Hold on one second. Hold on one second. Dude, it's pouring out here. Oh, if Tradeify is open, it won't. Okay. All right, so let me get out of Tradeify then. I guess it's considered demo, right? What up, Steven? Hey, if you don't mind, I know it's not really your thing, but can you post more psychological trading videos? Sure. What do you want to know about? Yeah, it's not fucking working. Knob is alive. Oh yeah, Knob. We're getting rain. I'm getting a ton of it. You dead? Bro, now I'm gonna ask fucking why can't I access? I'm asking. Dude, it's so weird. I'm doing exactly what the thing says, and it's not. Cove. Oh, it finally did it. Fuck yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Good morning. Hope you had a great. I did have a pretty good weekend, man. I had my kid's birthday all weekend. So I did birthday festivities. And he got so lucky because his party was on Saturday and it was hot as fuck here, and it was like a pool camp party. So the pool, it was good. It wasn't like, it didn't get rained out or anything. Cove, don't you do gold anymore? Nah, she's not. Gold hasn't been the same since the volatility came out. I don't feel like I walked away. I feel like I just kind of exited. I just feel like the edge wasn't there. It wasn't like now for me to hit my TP, it's taking like 10 minutes. It used to be like 30 seconds. Now it's like 10 minutes. I'm not sitting in gold for 10 minutes. I just can't. So I'm going to test something in the morning. I don't know how this is going, but you're going to hear it on sim accounts. What's weird is, I'll show you what it is, or I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm going to test this in sim accounts. So when you start hearing shit order filled, it's just sim accounts. Went on a streak lately. So yeah. So I don't know what's going to happen, but we're going to see. About to fucking find out. I can tell you that much. What's the strat? Let me run it. What if it just sucks balls? It's gonna take momentum at the open. It's gonna take momentum at the open. But what I don't want is anyone trying it, because if it sucks balls, just because the back test looks good doesn't mean it's good. That I promise you. Also, what I noticed is if I'm on the 1 minute chart or the 5 second chart, it gave me the same results. And that means something's a little off. Something is off there. If you switch time frames, it's going for 17 points. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. We shall see what happens. I listen. This is why you got to test shit out. If you're not testing stuff out, you're losing. Like, why are you not testing stuff out? So I just want people to know you're going to hear order filled somewhere between the open and 5 minutes. And it's not me trading. It's just in sim accounts. I just want people to be aware of that. So they're not like, yo, what'd you get in? What'd you get in? What'd you do? You know what I'm saying? Got to keep it reals. Got to keep it reals. Man. But yeah, I usually publish anything that's good. I'll show you something that you didn't know about. Here, wait. Here you go. Here's a bunch of fucking. You want to see a bunch of ideas? Here you go, Austin. You get a bunch of ideas. So I started building this website. And apparently Claude took it upon itself to make a scoreboard page that literally posted a lot of my information that I've been testing. So you can get a bunch of ideas here. Just throwing it out there. What's weird is even the ones that say in testing, some of them are not in testing anymore. We'll just say that. But anyways, yeah. So here's some of the information. Yeah. So what Claude thinks our survivors are opening range breaks, IB bottom, where it comes. I think that's where it comes back through. These are some good ones. I mean, you can see it says results, ES, NQ. This is the profit factor, 3.0, 2.6. First 5-minute fair value gap of the open continuation, 1.3 profit factor. Some guy made a fucking Twitter post about his magic hour, and this shit actually sucked. He claimed 2.7 profit factor. It was actually a losing trade. That's why I tell people don't listen. If some guy on X is telling you how good his strategy is, it's probably not. You could see it. Yeah. What up, Killian? I don't know why there's more here. I don't know why it's not showing them all. But if you want to go see it, it's up. So you can go look at it. I'll be honest with you, on this Shiznik on the 15 looks really good to the upside. I would probably say we're going up. Going up, up, up. Let me, I haven't even opened up my Ninja over here.
According to the White House, Trump is to travel to California on Tuesday.
Ninja! Ninja! But yeah. Let's see if my settings, let's see if my, if it fucks my whole thing up here. Let's see, I'm going to connect. I knew that was coming. I don't know why it does that. Oh, I know why it's doing it. Because I have 2 ninjas set up. Now I only have 1. I have 2 ninja connections for Apex. I just got rid of 1. Ninja. Oh, man. Fucking. Yeah, I'll tell you what, guys. If you're having trouble passing, if you're having trouble trading in general, you should not be passing accounts in one day. I'm just being honest with you. Like if you're at the process where you're not getting payouts or you're like floundering or you're not, if you pass an account in one day, you're sizing up way too much. Non-farm payrolls this week. I'm just telling you, like if you're having trouble, you shouldn't be focused on passing accounts in one day. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like it's different for myself because I'm okay taking the risk. But like, if you are not profitable, you should not be thinking about passing accounts in one day. You should be treating it like real money as if it was a funded account.
Also from the White House, Trump is to travel to Nevada on Wednesday.
Cool. Maybe you can just stay off fucking X for 2 seconds. Oh shit. You know what I didn't do? Bro, I have a Take Profit Trader Pro account that I didn't activate. That's the problem is everybody wants to rush this shit. They're like, yo, I need to get funded. I need to get funded. And then they're like, yo, man, I just blew so many accounts. I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Like, you shouldn't pass or blow an account in one day. You know what I'm saying? Did I not pass this account? Did I not pass this account? I mean, I passed it. Oh, I need to trade one more trading day? Bro, that sucks. I got to flip. Bro, I have a... Dude, I have $1.50 buffer and I got to flip one micro. I can't lose $1.50. Oh, I know exactly what's going to happen on this shit. We're about to go for a nice roller coaster ride. That roller coaster. Yeah, I know exactly what's about to freaking happen. I can feel it. Dude, that sucks. GPT 40. I'm just looking for an account here. GPT 44, I guess. Man, we open real quick. Boom, 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 boom. Man, oh man, oh man. What the fuck is this? 39. I'm just setting up I'm setting up some of my copy trading right now. Ooh, dumping. I kind of like the dump. I kind of like it. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. Dump it, baby. Oh, I'm contemplating. I'm contemplating what I want to do here. Hold on 1 second. I got 2 fucking minutes. Oh my God. Dude, I didn't even open up my quant tower yet. Come on, quant. Open up for me. What's up, Cindy? Of course, it's going to make the move before
1
the
minute
open.
ago now to the market and open imbalance data.
Bro, Steven, half those gains you see on X are probably fake. So I wouldn't even.
According to Israel's channel 12 news, citing Al Mayadeen, who's citing an Iranian source, said that Iran rejected the latest US offer to open up the Strait of Hormuz until the complete end of the war.
I wouldn't even believe half the shit you see on X. Literally, I just showed you some guy who touts making money and his strategy loses money. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, a lot of this shit is
10 seconds. Market and open imbalance, S&P 500 buy side 190 million, Nasdaq 100 sell side 80.5 million, Dow 30 buy side 49.3 million, and Mag 7 sell side 55 million.
he's gonna dump. I'm gonna dump and then come back up. Holy shit, it's super tight.
US stocks extending gains, Dow Jones up 1.08%.
It's gonna dump right here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Roller coaster.
Order filled.
I need a PA account to fuck with. Let me see if I can get a. I told you those are SIM accounts, so someone's gonna get all bet down and be like, "What? What is that? Why can't?" All it is SIM accounts. Don't worry. I did play the Open though.
So it's in regards to the last headline that we had posted out from Israel's Channel 12 News, citing Iranian source Al Mayadeen, that Iran has rejected the latest US offer to open up the Strait of Hormuz until the complete end of the war. There was some comments in the morning on Telegram, nothing about saying that they rejected the offers for opening up the Strait of Hormuz or negotiations. You had Iraq, you had the spokesman for Foreign Affairs said that Trump's claim about negotiations starting today, that Iraqis are leaving for his pilgrimage to Arbaeen, and the rest of the negotiating team members are in Iran. So no confirmation from the Iranian side in the morning from Telegram in regards to these latest headlines that we see.
Quant Tower off.
Nothing from the Iranians at the moment, by the way, from their Telegram channels in regards to these headlines as of now.
I am shutting. By the way, my test worked. Both hit. I got weeks
Fars News, citing Pakistani officials, says while Trump claimed that negotiations with Iran will begin today, Pakistani officials stated that no specific date or location has yet been finalized for direct discussions between Iran and the US.
You just passed 3 Lucid Pro accounts? Jeez. Dude, that's awesome.
So, Ramona, just keep an eye on Amazon shares, jumping 4.6% to surpass $3 trillion in market value. So going back to the other Iranian headlines, you had in regards to the Pakistani government sources from AA that said that no date of venue has yet been finalized for resumption of long-stalled direct talks between US and Iran. Now it's being cited by Iranian Fars news agency here.
Dude, Amazon's crushing it. Oh my God, 282. Oh my God. Just had to hold Amazon. Jeez.
Seeing shares of Visa rising 1.1% as companies to buy a catch for $2.4 billion. eBay shares down 3.5% after Wells Fargo cuts to underweight from equal weight.
I'm just watching. I'm waiting for it to settle, to be honest with you. Bro, thank godness. Dude, that dump was so nice. Yeah. I mean, the morning momentum is great. You know what I mean? What up, Joyce? Morning momentum is definitely nice. I definitely... trying to... Bro, it's fucking freezing in my office.
2 minutes ago now to get the S&P manufacturing PMI final for the US. Forecast
Yeah, there's
53.8 unchanged from the prior.
Oh, by the way, if you have a Lucid Pro account, they don't want you trading.
With a range of 54.4 to 53.7.
I forget what news. It's either the 10 o'clock news or the 9:45 news. Just an FYI.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just a quickie. Just a fucking quickie. Just a quickie. Oh my God. What are we doing? What are we doing? What up, for break? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm just waiting. I am watching and waiting.
UBS cuts target price of Citi to $142 from $150.
Oh my God. Did I just... They're not going to pull this back at all. I'm not chasing up here. I'm in though at man, I don't know if it's going to get all the way down there. 460, I'm probably in. Come on, sell the fuck off. Come on. Only because we're in the morning, I'm just gonna... Ooh. Man,
Order filled. Order filled.
if I get stopped, I'm going to look to re-enter. Just an FYI. I only went in with 2 micros. That was fucking greedy. I was just up 15 fucking points and didn't take it. All right,
Order
so
filled.
I'm fucking in.
5 minutes ago now to get the US S&P manufacturing PMI final forecast
got
53.8 unchanged from the prior.
Oh my god. I got
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. I should have went in with one more, but I went light. I went light because news is coming up.
Order filled.
I'll sell this one out. Oh, let's see what happens. I told myself I'm in with 5 accounts, so we'll see what happens. Okay, I'm red. It's not good yet. I need to be green. If I can get to 517, it would be really good. Oh, man. I'm not looking forward to this news, though. If I can get to 517, it'd be fucking cash money because I would get out of one, I'd go to break even, and then I would ride this thing. That looks bad. Thanks, bro. Appreciate you. It doesn't look great. I fucking hate SoFi code. I need a big ass push here is what I need.
One minute to go now.
Oh no, this fucking news coming out, man. Listen, you have every opportunity to get out even before this news. You should probably exit. I should probably take one off here
Order filled.
just because news is coming out.
Ten seconds.
Yo, if this just pops on fucking news,
53.9, 53.9, higher than forecast of 53.8.
Order filled.
let me just let it sit after news for 2 seconds. If it comes back down to 60 or 50, I'm buying more. Come on, little buddy. Come down a little bit. I won't chase it. I'm in right here, and that's it. Come on.
Order filled.
I'm only in one contract. Just be aware. I'll add if it comes lower, by the way.
We have posted out the US S&P manufacturing PMI July
Come on.
report on the feed for you to read through.
Order filled.
I might trade this within the trade. What I mean by that is, like, I just bought at 59. If I can get out at 86, you know what I mean? Like, trade within the trade.
Order filled.
Now I'm just kind of flipping contracts back and forth, and I'll always stay in one, and I'll just buy the dips, sell it as it pops.
Microsoft
goes,
rises
goes.
5.6%, up more than 25% over 3 days.
Listen, I'd love it to go. Man, if we can get over 5. Oh my God, hold on one second. If we can get over the fucking orb high here.
US stocks is extending gains. Nasdaq up 1.01%. Also seeing here JP Morgan Chase doubling down on housing, aiming to deploy $750 billion through
Bro,
2035,
I
up
almost was
by
going to
more than
sell
$200
at
billion
536
through
and
its
then just
American Dream
rebuy. That would be
initiative.
fucking epic. Oh, I just messed this up. I just messed something up.
Ten minutes ago now to hear the ISM manufacturing PMI data for July. Forecast 53.9, prior 53.3, with the range 57 to 52.5. ISM manufacturing prices paid, forecast 71, prior 73. The employment index, at seeing here, according to Interfax, Russian Defense Ministry says Russian forces hit 2 more vessels in the Black Sea. So going back to the employment index forecast for the ISM manufacturing, forecast is 50, prior 49.7. US construction spending month to month forecasts 0.2%, price 0.1%, and US ISM manufacturing new orders in index forecast 56.7, prior 56.
I'm just gonna wait. I feel like I'm gonna regret it though. I'd like to see them bust it down. Actually, fuck it.
Order filled.
I'm in. Fuck it. I'm going to regret not just following my fucking strategy is what I'm going to do. Oh.
Trump says on Truth Social that oil firms get your prices down.
I'm just following the fucking strategy. Whatever happens, happens. I just got to be okay
so specifically, with it. He says for other oil companies as well, including Chevron, get your consumer retail oil prices down now.
If I can flip out of this one at like fucking 20, 17, come on, pump. Oh my God. I thought that would pump and get me out right there. Jesus. They are making me earn these dollars today. Fucking shit, man. How can I send it to you? Wait, what? Cove, can you backtest the strategy? Yeah, you gotta send it to me. Where is it in? Ninja, Trading View? What is it in? I think they're going to eventually just pop it all the way up to 27. I think eventually it's going to go over the high at 40. Let's see how many times I can flip this back and forth, though. Seems like it hits here, and I can just rebuy 20 points lower and just flip for 40 bucks.
Order filled.
Of course, the one time I sell it, it's going to go. I can't make this shit up. I can't make this shit up. Would have got out fucking 20 points higher. I'm waiting for the big push. I'm probably just going to flip it out. I'm going to flip out in here somewhere. Just be happy with my gains.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can buy lower. If I can't buy lower, it's whatever. I'm still in it right here, but it's just fucking not pushing out. I should
5
take
minutes to go now until we get
brand
the
new.
US ISM manufacturing PMI forecast. 53.9,
I
price
should take a brand new
53.3.
one though.
ISM manufacturing prices paid forecast 71, price 73. Employment index forecast 50, price 49.7. Construction spending month on month forecast 0.2%,
See, I
price
should take this
0.1%.
one.
And new orders index for the ISM manufacturing
Order
forecast
filled.
56.7, price 56.
And just hold. This is my hold one. Keep pushing. Push.
Order filled.
Bro. What do I say every day? Roller coaster. This thing's gonna fucking go.
Order filled. Order filled.
I want to go to break even is what I want to do. I want it to go to like 70.
Order filled.
Just fucking carving the markets up because that's what I fucking do. It's what I fucking do. How do I take TP or fucking in here? It's not giving. Yo, what up? Who's that, Sean? I'm actually gonna take that off right there. Boom, bitch.
All right, Robert.
Oh, that's you?
Yes.
Marie, what's up?
Good morning.
Hey, Cove, could you post a link to that multi-time frame indicator you use in Discord? Okay, I will. Oh, because everybody.
I'm up 300 times one.
You're up 300 times one?
Yeah. Unlike Robert, who's up 300 times 20.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yo, Robert does that every day, I feel like.
Yeah, it's awesome.
This is where I'm sitting at right now. Same trades every single day.
Oh, I saw they're sending you live.
Oh, next gen sending me live? Yeah.
What the fuck? Can we not make money? Are we not allowed to make money anymore?
So I knew that they're fast to send live, so I'm not upset with them because one, they're brand new. I know that they don't.
1 minute ago now to be the ICT manufacturing PMI.
Are all these funded? Let me go through them. Funded. One of these pros is funded. PA is funded. Anything that has PA is funded. Funded. Anything that has PA is funded. LTM is funded. Thinking what's missing in here. I don't know. I think what of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 7 or 8 of them were funded.
Ten seconds.
What one-on-one coaching? You just be in this chat. Ask me any questions you want. What I don't know what do you want? Everything is done live. I literally said
55 spot 5, 55 spot 6,
was
55
long.
spot 6, high in the forecast of 53
whole
spot
bias was
9.
long.
Prices paid 71 spot 1, 71 spot 1, high in the forecast of 71.
And this was the
New
trade.
orders 56 spot 7 as expected. Employment 52 spot 8, 52 spot 8, high in the
Hold on here. I'll
forecast
shut
of
this guy
50.
off for 2
Construction
seconds.
spending month to month.
Voice news disconnected.
Yeah, I don't know. The wicks make it super hard to stick to your strategy. That's because you haven't backtested the numbers. And that's why I tell everybody, how are you going to follow me if you don't backtest it? Because if you don't backtest it, you're just trusting me. But if you know the numbers, who gives a shit about the wicks? That's why I was trading in between, inside the trade. I was selling high, I was buying low, and I was just trading in between. If you know your numbers, who gives a shit if it wicks down? You know eventually it's going to go. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? You know what's not on that sheet? This isn't on that sheet. I did 470 something in that account. To sit and go over trades and strategies, I'm right here. Ask me. What do you want? Tell me, you want me to go over this trade? I'll go over this trade, man. I don't want you to pay me. I literally I was looking for a dump at open, right? I was looking for a dump at open. We basically closed this gap over this overnight gap, right? I mean, we went all the way down to 315. So we closed this gap, which means now I'm bullish, right? Close that gap. We come up, we make a 5-minute inversion. We come back, we retest the 50% line. Now I'm in. Now I'm fucking in. My stop, in theory, is 373. And my couple TPs are this high, 598, 658, and then the highest one. But I am out. That's it. It's not like that was it. I look for us to take out lows, fill gaps, or something like that. But yeah, that's that. I mean, that was the trade. I took that, and every single day, I take the break of the orb to the top, the break of the orb up. So as soon as we break this blue line, I take the momentum over and I scalp it for about 5 points. Same trade every day. Nothing changes. Not one thing changes. Right, Marie?
Yep.
I don't know. That's it. But, I mean, honestly, I can just pack up my shit right now and go golf, but it's raining out. But yeah, so, all right, so here's the next gen thing. I knew next gen is, I don't think next gen is profitable when they run their crazy sales because they're new, I think. And they were running like $49 free resets. So it's basically $49. You're going to get a funded account. And then they had half off activation fees that were like $79. So you're getting a funded account for like $130. I think they're getting new people sucked in because they're basically collecting $130. And then when the new people are finally trading, they're blowing it for $130. It's, you know, like instead of having new people pay $19 for evals and like keep that like a low price point, they're basically sucking in new people for $130. And then, but I think if you know what you're fucking doing, giving me a funded account for $130 is probably not going to be profitable for you. Which was the case with them.
Order filled.
Take a little scalp. Let's see what we get here. I don't like that this is the second bounce, to be honest with you.
Order filled.
Hold on. Would you take the break to the... Yes, I would take the break to the downside. What's crazy is I watch you trade almost every day and I still have no idea what the fuck you're doing. I understand the IFG logo and stuff, but the way you execute is super intricate. My fucking accounts.
Yo, I turned on the YouTube and all I heard was you're talking about people being sucked off.
Yeah. Next gen sucking newbies in, bro. It's kind of a good marketing thing because you get all these people like, oh my God, I can get funded without, you know, having to fucking trade and it's only $130. But what they don't know is as soon as they start trading, they're just blowing fucking accounts.
Wait, you can get funded without even having to trade?
Well, it's $49. It was like free resets. So, you know, you just YOLO 10 minis at a time until you pass. The problem is then you pay an activation fee and then you're sitting there and you're just blowing these fucking funded accounts being like, oh man, 130, 130, 130. And next thing they know, like they blew 8 of these things. And then what they do is, in case somebody like me goes in, they set like payout caps and there is no unlimited. So it's kind of like,
Oh, wait.
it's kind of like they let the newbies come on and let them blow. And then anyone that's decent, they're going to cap you out. And then they don't have a live program. So they just kind of put you on a waiting list for live.
Yeah, that sucks. Who knows how long they're going to have to wait for that.
I asked in the Discord, but I never probably should have followed up on that and been like,
Yeah.
let me see. I asked him this morning. Let's see what I said.
It did not sound like they had a sustainable model.
Today, the onboarding of the traders had to start, but I don't see any movement yet.
Wait, what?
That's what somebody wrote.
Why did it have to start today?
I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know. What up, Arrow? Would you, would I take the downside? Yeah, yo, brand new Brandon. What I will tell you is the more questions you ask in here, the better you're going to be. And I'm open about all of it. So just fucking ask away, man. It's free. You don't have to pay somebody $6,500 to buy a purple Ferrari. I will explain whatever you want.
Order filled.
Let's see if this holds.
Order filled.
It's either going to go or it's going to stop me out. Watch them push it all the way up to like 97 real quick. Oh.
I'd say this thing looks like it's ready to freaking go.
I knew that they were going to get rid of me. I've been talking about it for a little bit on how they're going to get rid of me. And they got rid of me. I used that cancel all today, by the way.
Yeah, how'd that work out for you?
Great.
Awesome.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's just crazy. Blab wants a Lambo. Oh, what was I going to write puts on? I think PLTR has earnings today, right?
Do they?
Yeah, they got, yeah. Fucking. So PLTR has a crazy, like, moat. I don't think. I'm going to try passing this account right here.
Order filled.
This thing's got. Now, mind you, if anyone's new here, just remember, I have switched off of funded accounts. I have switched off of copy trading accounts.
I'm a professional.
I am what?
I said I am a professional.
Yeah, I just want you to know, like, this is now an eval. I feel like I just want people to realize that they're not like, listen, if you didn't take the trade out of here, that was a money ass trade to go long out of.
I'd like to see us keep cruising up.
I think we will. See what
break above 600 and just fucking ride it all the way up.
Damn, MU is down fucking $28 today. This thing's just getting freaking hammered. Probably has 609 in it.
Oh, keep fucking going. Keep fucking going.
Oh, it almost took my TP out. Are you shitting me?
Order filled.
I'm not getting out of here with nothing.
Yeah, I took $300 on that.
Order filled.
I hate when it goes up like that, doesn't take my TP, and then just comes back down. Cove is like, just so everyone know, you guys are what? No, I'm here just hanging out, man. I'm just doing it. Do you buy market? I buy mostly market. Listen, if I like the trade, if I'm playing off the 5-minute chart, I'm not looking for the best price. If I'm looking for this to come down and touch an area, then I'll buy it limit. I'll be like, this is where I want to buy, because I'm gonna probably scalp it off that bounce. also I put a limit here, like in case it like say all of a sudden it's just like flashes down, flashes back up, I'll get filled. I won't have enough time to mark it in. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying?
Damn, I smashed those. Man, oh man, oh man.
I did my first like Rise thing today.
Yeah.
Rise payment. I've never used Rise.
How'd that go?
How long does that take to go from the prop firm to your actual Rise wallet?
Who'd you get it from?
Phidias.
I don't know. Could be a little bit. But Rise to your bank account's like instant.
Nah.
Let me see.
I literally like just did it.
Oh, I just realized, what is that one at? I'm just reviewing my copy trader real fast. I just need like $100 in some of these accounts and I can pass them in one day. $53.74, 50. Hold on, 53 and 74. What the fuck, 74? All right, here we go. I'm back. Dude, I'm right there for an Apex payout.
Hell yeah.
Kinda don't want to risk it though. I'm gonna go to just looking. I do think eventually we just go up. Pretty sure we see 658 with ease. I was kind of hoping we were going to come back down a little bit more though. I don't think that's going to be the case. The 40%, what is that? Oh, I'm in the fucking Discord. I think they're about to break IB high. Well, it's not even IB high, which is crazy. See, like, so technically with my strategy, I would still be in this. But man, would I be like, I'd be fucking, you know what I mean?
You'd be fucking.
I'd be like, oh my God.
I'd be fucking too.
I'm down 100 points. I don't know how people do that. Like 630, come down 100 points and then back up. Like, I would just be out and be like, yo, I'll just rebuy that shit.
Yeah, there's no point in riding it down 100 freaking points.
Yes, it's straight pumping. I'm probably gonna.
Yo, Marie, did you see that video?
Which one? The A?
Tampon. Yeah, Tampon
Yes.
Timmy.
Yes.
Tampon Timmy?
Yeah, Tim Waltz. Tampon
Oh.
Timmy. Special needs.
Dude, tampon to me. This thing's gonna go freaking to the.
I can't remember what his other nickname was.
Whatever happened with all those things over there, all those daycares and shit? Did they shut them down? Or
I have no idea. I haven't kept up with that.
thinking about YOLOing some shit coins tonight? Why? Why not focus on something that has a strategy? Just watch out. You're running into London highs, previous 4-hour highs, Asia Open.
There was another nickname for him.
We get over 51, and it's going to cruise. Final TP is 690, which I feel like we're going to hit.
Steven, if you feel like YOLOing, get a really cheap account, like I told you before.
Yeah, just get a freaking Apex.
Go ham on it. Just fucking go ham on it.
$19 account, probably be cheaper than shit coins.
I love doing that. I love getting a cheap account and just freaking full sending it.
Did I see the one about pipeline Cove? What is that? I hope this is a joke.
He's trying to lay pipe on you.
I don't know. Let's hear it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'll hold this to fucking 90. Obviously, I got the worst fucking entry of man. That's why I'm only in it with like
The
nothing.
Alaska pipeline.
What?
The Alaska pipeline.
Oh, I don't know. What happened there?
No, we were looking up things on freaking Urban Dictionary the other night on Fidias TV.
Wow. Alaska Pipeline's one of them.
Yeah, you probably would know.
Yeah. We looked up what Limp Biscuit meant by chocolate starfish and hot dog flavored water was.
I did not know about that.
I did not either. I'd listened to that song a freaking billion times. And I figured chocolate starfish. I figured that one out.
That one I knew.
Didn't realize
I thought the other one was like gross hot dog water.
Yep. Wasn't ready for that.
Yeah. I love how it says that it was invented. Who it was invented by.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy.
Yo, you know what's the best?
What?
I go to this page, Alaskan Pipeline, and you get a bunch of ads from My Fun the Futures TV. So I just fucking screenshot it. Like, bro, what are you guys advertising for?
Oh, funny.
I'm gonna need a pullback here.
I need to go back and listen to that whole entire Limp Bizkit song now and decipher it.
What's up, Smooth? Non-farm payrolls this week is Friday.
I know I got accounts on deck for that.
You're ready to rock?
I'm fucking ready.
Dude, it literally hit that TP and rejected. Isn't that so wild how that happens? You can see it literally hit these highs. Rejected. Strong's probably going to dump his Fidias accounts on that. Is that what you're doing?
What?
On non-farm payroll?
No. No, I don't.
I am.
You're,
because they make you go 4,500 with a $1,000 drawdown. So
I'm gonna save those for CPI and NVIDIA earnings.
I'm like, bro, I'm not doing this again. So we're just gonna send this, and
I'm doing back to back CPI and NVIDIA earnings because those are the biggest movers.
I'm about to send 3 minis on non-farm payroll in that account. Bro, my weekend was pretty good. It was busy. It was definitely busy. I'll tell you what, obviously I was right, but man, this is a slow-moving fucking day. But ES is just hauling. I'm thinking this hits 98, by the way. I'm hoping we dip here, though. And then we have the IB high play that comes into, you know, I don't think we're going to get it because it's going to close it like right there.
Yeah. But I mean, we're either going to have a break and failure of IB or a continuation. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm really looking for kind of a break and failure because we're coming up to previous day's org top.
Oh, man. Bro, there better be somebody. Yo, this person, Don, in Next Gen's chat said that he only got one payout from Next Gen and then they pushed him live. But there is no live program, so you're just off.
How does that work? How did you get so many payouts, but like he did? I don't know. I feel like people be fucking lying about that kind of shit.
Nah, you know why? He probably took one account. There's a payout cap, right? So say the payout cap's 1,200, right?
Hi, Robert.
Yeah.
His account. Yo! Awesome, Robert. You had a great day. I think like they take one account and instead of requesting a payout, they build it up to like $10,000 in profit and then take 1,200 thinking they're going to just milk that account.
Fucking
And then
dummy.
they're like, yeah, we're not letting this guy just milk his account.
Yeah.
That's
fucking
what
dummy.
happens. Because he's a dummy.
That's his own damn fault.
Instead of just taking his $700,000, $1,200, whatever it may be, and then, you know, they're like, oh, well, this guy's not going to build it back up. And then you keep doing it. He goes and builds his account up to 10 grand. And then he's like, you know.
Fucking idiot.
Yeah. People are fucking morons. This is how Robert did today.
Though. I mean, when they say you trade this much and then you get an account that you can get payouts on, you should be able to get payouts. And
Well, they give you one payout, but then they look at your account and they're like, oh, this guy can just flip 7 more days and take another $1,200 out and then flip another 12. I get it. Believe me, I'm with you. I just, you know.
dang it, this keeps messing up my entry.
What are you trying to short?
Yes.
I don't know if I'm going to short this. I want to see the IB. I want to see what happens within the next minute and a half. Is really what I want to see. I'd like to see us come down. What's up, Ms. Goody? How was your day, Ms. Goody? Here's a question. Anyone not up? Let's talk about it. How's that sound? Dude, this thing's just going to go for new highs right here. Hey, up is up. Are you going to play this to make new IB highs? Yo, risk reward on this is awesome. This is worse than my other plays. Oh, this is gross.
I thought it was going to hit previous day high last night. Look, it came all the way back down. All the way back up.
Loved your videos from the weekend. Oh, I appreciate it. I'm trying to think which ones I did. I think I did one on trader psychology. Then I did one on trader psychology, and then I did one on my trading view setup.
Kind of thinking about shorting it.
Order filled.
I'm trying to just scalp it for like, oh, I'm only in one. I meant to be in more contracts, actually.
Order filled.
Whatever. Whatever. I meant to be in more contracts.
What's ES doing right now?
I mean, it's dangerous up here. 698 is the final TP for me. So once we hit 698, the whole move is kind of done in my eyes. I can do this.
Holy shit. ES is definitely fucking cruising more than NQ is.
Yeah. I'm just watching this shiznick. Yeah, Asia High is what I was looking at. That was like my final target.
You got previous day high up there too.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if I'd be looking to short yet. I think you're going to get a pullback. Although you have a nice little sweep of IB. This is one of those times.
I'm thinking we can get a sweep of previous day high before shorting. To be honest, just watching it.
Here we go. This would have been my. That would have been my fucking final TP all the way from. Bro, my first purchase was at 484. And I was looking for basically right here. That'd have been 200 points. Why can't I just hold? I should like just buy and fucking go eat something.
It's because you're on stream. That's why.
Because I'm staring at this shit like, yeah, it's gonna hit my fucking it's gonna hit my target of 200 points. Yo, you passed your account today? You are funded, BK? Yo, I have to take the. Oh. Fuck, I can't take that. Hold on.
I have to take this. Wait, fuck that. I don't want to take that.
New numbers. Give me. New numbers. Give me. No, this Claude shit's fucking using old data somehow and something. Dude, I mean, you can't long this here. I mean, you gotta be an idiot.
Dude, you want to know something crazy?
What?
So I had Claude working on, or I had Codex working on something. And I downloaded all the historical data from NinjaTrader.
Yeah.
For all the assets.
I did that, yeah.
And it does not transfer over when you're creating a Pine script very well, because it does not backtest very well.
Ninja?
Using Ninja data to back to like,
so
because I'm not backtesting within any of the platforms.
Yeah, you're backtesting on. So
I have my own system.
Yeah. So how Pine script and Ninja handle buys and sells are different. So if you create a strategy on TradingView and then you say, okay, cool, we're going to run that on Ninja, you're going to get different results. So what you got to do is you either got to run it on TradingView and do the webhook to automatically trade in Ninja. Or, all it's doing is just telling Ninja to buy and sell. So the actual logic is on TradingView.
Yeah.
Or what I did on one strategy was I had Claude code in the script to take trades just the same way as TradingView handles them. And it's a check mark. I can just turn it on or off. And then it matched.
Interesting.
So if you want, you got to tell Codex to take trades in Ninja on your Ninja script the same way that TradingView handles buys and sells.
Oh, I got my money in Rise.
But that's how. Look at that shit, man. I can't believe this. I should just held.
Let's see, we're at previous day high now. Now I can look for shorts.
Yo, not gonna lie.
What?
I should just take account to just say fuck it, right?
I mean, it's kind of what I thought you were gonna do on some of your accounts.
Problem with Apex is the trailing drawdown. Like I can't hold 100 points down.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It was not working.
Can you hear me now? Good.
I don't know if this is gonna stop.
I was trying to say it. Has it tapped the previous day high yet? It looks to me like it still had a couple of points to go.
We still got like 6 more points. We missed it by 6 points. 5 points.
I'm longing this off of the IB high, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, if it comes down there, that's where I would do. But if we hit previous day high and sweep that, I'm shorting it.
Mm-hmm.
There it is.
Damn, bro. This thing is just crank-a-lanking.
Oh, yes, just cross its high on IB.
I don't know if I'm getting in front of this. I'm just looking to see what I should do. Use end-of-day accounts? I know. That's
what I always tell them to do.
That's kind of where I'm at. I mean, because the plays are fucking ridiculous, and I should be up. I'm up a ton of money, but I mean, I should be up a lot more.
Dude, this thing's just going to keep cruising.
Yo, so I need to make a trade in this Take Profit Trader account to go pro, but I can't lose more than $1.50.
Oh man! All right, I need to go get a freaking drink real fast.
I can't make. I'm going to set the
I'll be
profit
back.
target. All right, I'm going to set the profit target for 4 ticks. Just. Oh my god! Am I going to sell real fast?
Order filled. Order
Oh, I
filled.
made $1. I made $1. I'm out. Oh. What? You send minis. I'm out. We going pro. Going pro. Oh, I'm going for. I'm trying to build up my TPTs to five accounts here. I was worried that I was going to get in, get out, and then I would need $1, and then I would, you know how that all starts to go. Be like, yo, I just need $1, and then I'm just like, motherfuck, I'm just in and out. I'm just like.
I'm looking for a short scalp.
I might long this right here off this 9. Unless it comes to, I mean, it's so fucking dangerous at this point. You got previous week high at.
Messed up my entry again.
It's got previous week high at 762. To me, we're just trending.
Yeah. Yep.
I just want to make sure I'm not copy trading, to be honest.
Oh, wow. I didn't see that on there. I'll have to check that out.
What happened?
Robert said there's a Wolf of Wall Street documentary.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
I want to watch. I'll definitely want to watch that.
I saw that. It's, yeah. Where's it? Oh, Paramount Plus, yeah. See, this thing's not going anywhere.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, give me a fucking big green dildo candle up. Go. Just push it. If it breaks the trend here, then I'm out of longs. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
What I kind of liked was it was holding.
Well, that gave us a fair value gap on the 5 minute.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
I was gonna buy it right here as a
Order filled.
value add.
Order filled.
Oh no. Oh fuck me, man.
What?
What? I am stuck in my positions. Oh, you know what? I can just
Order
go to,
filled. Order filled.
I just went to flatten everything. So I moved my stop up and it got out of there, but it didn't get out of my other shit.
Oh shit.
Oh my god. Would have came back anyways. Fuck me, man. You may stop trading till the afternoon. I mean, that's not a terrible idea. That is not a bad idea, to be honest with you. I'm just hanging. Damn. That was what I was looking for right there. But what sucks is I already had the play and I made a bunch off of it. I just wish I made more. You know how that goes, right?
Mm-hmm. I've had big losses off that.
What?
You like take this trade and
Mhm.
sit in it a long time, and then you make like $20, and you're like, oh hell no, and you get back in, and then you get ruined.
Yeah. I should have just held. I mean, I probably would have been out on this when we just popped really fucking hard.
Uh-huh.
I would have been out probably like right here. But then when we came back down, I should have reset and I should be like, listen, my TP hasn't been taken. Let me get in and set like a stop loss down here. Rage quitting the day. My long model triggered at 420 and with a target of 720. Somehow I put my entry in the wrong. Jeez, that sucks. Yeah, see, like it came back 50% of this move in the morning. The morning move came back 50% and then freaking just went. I was looking at that too. Been there, man. Been there. Oh man, I hate when it's just grinding now because like for you to get a real good entry, like you need a real dip here. You need a nice little dip. Damn, some of this shit just ripped. I know. I sold MU puts at the bottom too. I sold 695 puts at $7.20 code. $6.95 weeklies at $7.20. I'm already up $213 on them. Yeah. I think I caught like the bottom, to be honest with you, which is crazy. Bloom Energy's up a bunch. We were talking about HIMS this morning. That one's up a bunch. Marie, I think this thing's going a previous week high at 763 at this point. I mean, oh, you're muted. You know that, right? I guess you and Sean are muted. You in anything or no?
Nope.
Just hanging.
Yep.
What up, DBT? Yo, tell me how I'm an idiot for not holding.
Where are we going to? There's nothing else up there.
Previous week high is right there.
Oh, I see it. At 764.
Yeah, I mean, we just hit it.
We broke it. Yeah.
Oh, no. Dude, that sucks. Dude, I've been there. I one time blew an account 18 cents away from a $1,500 payout. I did another time $4 away from a payout too. When I was $4 away and Rhythmic Trader Pro decided to shut down.
Yeah.
Red Foreman dumbass. Yo, it was right there, man. I got my entry and everything. DBT. Pull back, retest, the whole fucking deal. I took it. I didn't take it for enough. He's ignoring you, Miss Goody.
Was that really good news today or something?
I think it's honestly like I almost feel like it's just like always technical. I could be completely wrong. I just kind of feel like it's always technical. Unless, Trump said that shit last night, but we basically sold it all off. Yes, looks like it's about ready to go for another pop-up.
Well, there's a 1 hour FVG at 28,800.
I need it to come back. The problem is once it comes back, I think it's done for the day.
This is a good place to turn around.
Wait. What happened? My trade C copier fucked up last week and it ended up in a hedge position.
Oh.
Lucid erased your date. Luckily, they didn't delete your account. And now is barring instant activation of past evals.
What?
Oh, for you? Yo, I crushed it. I crushed it in so many accounts today. I crushed it in a lot.
Holy fuck, we just went up. It's freaking just
a little bit.
It's gone.
Dude, that sucks, man.
What happened?
Yo Jim said that he was using TradeC and they got him in a hedged position. And now Lucid. But yeah, that's how I'm starting off right now. We're just kind of hanging out.
I mean, that's why I refuse to use any of those new platforms.
I wouldn't use TradeC. I heard so many problems with it. I mean, that's why somebody was calling it Trade Seaman on fucking X.
Trade Seaman.
You're using Trade Seaman. I'm probably out of that.
That's hilarious.
That's freaking awesome.
Yo, who comes up with these fucking names? Like,
dude, did you see that My Funded Futures is bringing on another new platform?
Yeah, why do you need all these new platforms? You know what you need? TradingView. That's it. If you can't fucking trade using TradingView, I don't know what else you need. I mean, unless you're looking for like order flow, some type of data like that.
Which you can still get from NinjaTrader.
Yeah, which NinjaTrader does. You don't need all this shit. Everyone's like, oh, I need the new platform. It's going to make me profitable. It's not. I promise you.
I mean, the only reason I use deep charts is because that's all that
TL offers.
TL offers. That's it. That's the only reason I use it.
But
and it's a good platform, actually.
They give you a Quant Tower.
Yeah, but I don't know. I like deep charts better than fucking Quant Tower, to be honest with you.
Good old deep charts.
Yeah. Chart so deep it'll make you short.
No. I mean, I do like the look of it. It's the volumetrica.
I mean, their DX feed has some of the fastest executions as far as like orders go. So I'm not mad about it.
Bro, this thing's gonna go higher. Deeper.
That's one of the things that like that's one of the things that like kind of bogs me down with like Ninja and Tradeify is I'll be using deep charts a lot and DX feed for execution so much, and then I'll switch over to Ninja and I'll be like, damn, these executions are fucking slow.
Ninja fucked me on my trade copier, so I'm out trading.
Even Tradeify though, it's fucking super slow compared.
This thing's probably gonna pop. I can't believe this shit. I'd like to see one big candle down and then another back up and then go. I think it's a white label volumetrica, right? Isn't it volumetrica white labeled?
No. Volumetrica, it used to be called Volumetrica. Now it's called Deep Charts. They changed names. They got bought out or something.
So check this out. We're at my kid's birthday party, and we're at a camp. So the camp parking lot, there's not like exact parking spots, but like, you know, a normal person knows how to park. You know, like if you took a big blacktop space, you know, you park around. You know what I mean? And if you know the person you're parking behind, you park behind them.
Yeah.
So my fucking in-laws park, and there's like this dad who, he's a cool dad, and they hang out. He hangs out in like a group of dads. So like my wife likes his wife. So my wife is like, yo, you should hang out with him, and you should, you know, whatever, get to know him. So I'm like, all right, cool. So he asked me to play softball. I played on the softball team. You know,
this motherfucker.
So, so we're at the camp, and he shows up, and I'm shooting the shit with him. And what happens? My fucking in-laws back up into his car.
Shut the fuck up.
Yo, just straight back up into his car.
That's hysterical.
So now he's like, oh, well, I didn't see this big black Jeep Cherokee. I was like, bro, you shitting me? Like, the building behind it's white. How'd you not see it, bro? How did every sensor on your car not go off?
You're welcome, by the way. You are welcome.
You're welcome.
I just gave you a nice commission with Tradeify.
Oh, would you just?
I bought a 5-pack.
You building up?
Yeah, I said in August I would start doing that. So all the day ones.
I actually got started one today. I'm going to start
5-pack.
Building up on them. This is mine. I started today. So what happened is, I told you Next Gen pushed me off their platform, right? I'm on a live waiting list.
Yeah.
So now I don't have an account to trade on TradingView. And I kind of liked it because it forced me to hold trades longer. So I was like, let me see if I like it. So I was like, this will be my Tradeify account if I like it. So I was like, let me just try it out today. I'm up like $500 in a 25K. So I was like, yeah, I'm probably going to just add to this now. This is where I'm going to Tradeify. Yeah.
I'm going to add.
They're legit.
I'm going to add one of the Lucid Day ones right now.
I got one of those.
Because I want to see how it is with the intraday. Because I don't trade intraday at all. Like,
it stops once you hit a certain buffer.
But I haven't traded intraday in probably over a year.
BK, it's on percent of profits, and I just made $500 holding for 25 minutes. That's not a worry for me. I'm not worried about it.
They actually got rid of the eval 10-second rule.
No.
I think it's just the eval one. I don't know if they did that in the funded, but I know they got rid of the eval 10-second rule. They made some announcement about it.
Yeah, I thought they did. Dude, this got really flat. Look at that.
I feel like it's going to take out the top one more time.
So yeah, now I'm dealing with this shit. My in-laws fucking rear-ending, just driving into one of my friend's cars at my kid's birthday party.
Is this the guy that got you into the co-ed softball thing that you hated, though?
Yeah, but then like after my kid's birthday, 5 minutes after my in-laws ran into him, he was like, yo, you want to come to my, they have like a community type pool for like only 150 houses have access to it.
Yeah.
So they were doing like a Mario Party night.
You should have been
And
like, that's what you get for dragging me into the softball thing. But now we can be friends again.
yeah. So I was like, all right, I'm in. Like, I was like, I told my wife, I was like, how do I fucking not do this? Because we just literally, your dad, oh, check this out, bro. Yo, Next Gen not only paid me out, but then they refunded my fucking accounts.
Whoa. All right.
Bro,
Wait, what?
I'm not going to lie, bro. That's a pretty good look for them.
That's, yeah, no kidding.
I'm going to make a video about that today. Not going to lie.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
I'm not going to lie. That's pretty fucking nice.
But I mean,
That's how it should be done.
I think on their website, they kind of advertise it's for like newer traders. I can't remember
if
it was them. Yeah, I can't remember if it was them that advertises that. But I mean, I feel like it's a good place for like new traders.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh no, we can't hear Marie.
Well, I mean, I feel like a lot of these firms want new traders for the obvious reason. Like if I was running a business and it was the prop firm business, I would want all new traders. I wouldn't want some guy coming in, smashing payouts right out the gate, and now I owe him $5,000 and he only gave me $100. You know what I mean? I wouldn't want fucking profitable traders if I was a prop firm until I kind of weeded them out, and then they were trading live where I was making money off of them. Wait, they know my social media? What? Next Gen? Yeah, I would assume. I added them. They just paid me my payout too. My Rise. Send that. I'm going into my Rise account right now. Did you short this by any chance?
I'm about to.
I don't know that I'm going to short yet.
I gotta wait for that 5-minute FVG to happen.
Dude, okay. I did some back testing on that, by the way.
Yeah.
It's good, but the 2-minute FVG has better stats than the 5-minute does.
Really?
On the way up or the way down?
I didn't test directional wise.
I'm also waiting for it to I'm waiting for it to retest. So like the 2 would happen obviously faster, but I'm waiting for it to retest it.
I've never traded the 2-minute.
ES is bouncing off of its IB high, just FYI. And it bounced.
The FBG model, I call it the Cove model.
I know, you try to coin all these models that we've already made names for.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
It's the Cove
like
model.
It's the Cove Drift. Motherfucker, it's been the Tokyo Drift for years.
It's Cove Drift. Some guy's definitely making a course on that right now. If I came on, it's like, I just saw this crazy shit happen, and I'm gonna make a course on it. How to make money at the end of the day, every day. Bro, I call it the Cove Just Make Money model.
Oh, come on, man.
I wouldn't have gotten that. You're in short?
No,
Oh.
I wanted to be, though.
I literally just bounced off the 50 line.
Yep.
To me, it's sloppy at this point. But my pockets ain't empty, cuz. Someone renamed the orb. I'm going to call it the Cove 15. Not to be confused with the freshman 15.
The freshman fatties.
Bro, I'm not going to lie, man. Like, I thought I was decently sized going into college. Dude, I put on like 25 pounds my freshman year. It wasn't fat, but I didn't realize how much exercise you're going to do at a Division I program. And the fact that everyone's like, yeah, man, creatine and protein and this and
Steroids.
Like, I didn't go that route. There was a lot of kids doing steroids. I was like, I'm not going that route. But I mean, you're working out.
You should have seen me a few years ago.
I mean, listen, if you're gonna do it. I don't care. But I can't do I wouldn't be able to. I don't think I'd be able to maneuver. But I just remember, like, I was like, yo, you work out for an hour every day, and then you go fucking do like 45 minutes of cardio, and then you got baseball practice, and I was like, Jesus. It's probably why my body felt like an 80-year-old man after 4 years.
Before my knee surgery, I was sitting at like 225 at like 8% body fat.
Yeah. Now I like Mexican food too much. They not test for anything. So what they do is they take, I think it's 3 or 4 people every season. So there's 3 seasons. So you have fall, winter, and spring. So there's 35 kids on a baseball team. So only 3 guys get chosen. I went 4 years and never got chosen. My brother got chosen and he failed for weed. And he took the flush and he pissed out straight water. And they're like, we can't let you go. He's like, you're going to have to stay here until you get a sample that's like worth it. So how you get out of it is when they call your phone, you don't pick up and you basically leave campus and say you went home for the weekend for like a family member or something like that. And then they just choose somebody else. Like you can get out of it so easily. There's kids that were really good on our team that were doing roids and they were just like, yeah, I'm not answering the phone. I'm not even going near the athletic facility.
Dude, you ain't getting out of if you're doing fucking roids, that shit ain't getting out of your system for a bit.
Well, no, because after they do it, they don't test again for like 3 to 4 months. So like a lot of these kids would do it in the off season and then would stop in like January, February, but I don't know. I had a job where I got tested every month because they knew I was the only one not on anything. Yo, I know somebody who goes to work every day with fake piss. He goes to work every day with fake piss and a fake dick.
Jeez.
Every day.
Do you ever look at yourself and think, maybe it's not worth it?
I got fake piss on me every day.
Jesus.
Every day. I'm not going to out this person, but I was at my kid's party and we were talking and we were like, yo, remember when they were like smoking like 20 Dutches a day during COVID? It was just chain smoking weed. It's just not worth it. This is where you want to bounce if you're going to go long. You want to bounce at like 740. You want to hold 745. I'm going to switch off the
ES is just holding the top of its IV. So I'm being super careful right here.
I'm just switching off of fucking funded accounts, to be honest.
I took a little scalp to the downside. Order filled. Thank God I was out. Fuck.
I hate when that happens. Literally, look at that shit. I'm right there to take profit. Oh, man. I should just hit the button when I was up 10 points. I was up almost $200.
Order
I'm just
filled.
getting out because what's going to happen is if this candle goes red, it's going to look like a great fucking short. Cove, how are you determining when you're going to get a bounce? I'm looking at the bottom of this 5-minute fair value gap to hold. But if you realize I've switched off of funded accounts because it's not like a great ass setup, but I think the probabilities are in my. I'm looking at that, and I'm looking at the stochastics were under 20, so you're going to get some type of bounce. And we did. I was up 10 points. I could have took my money. But that's what I'm looking at.
Dude, if we get that 5-minute, we're gonna have a 2-minute and a 5-minute.
If we get that 5, I'm going to buy on the retest. I'm going to short it at 762.
Yeah.
I'm going to let it come down, retest, short at 762, and then that's the plan. I mean,
And we'll have a 1-minute. Holy shit, they're all gonna line up.
yo,
Yeah.
you locked in a second payout. There you go. I mean, now that you locked in a second payout, maybe I don't know how much you took, but you know, now you can go get a second account. I just don't want to see you take your first one and start loading up. Man, I gotta determine sooner. Like these data centers, what are they using for energy? Are they using nuclear? Or what are they using?
I don't know. They wanted to build one over here though, right next to the plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then everybody like had a cow.
They were like, yeah, sure, nuclear, thumbs up. Data center, nah.
Right.
Dude, the no data center signs are freaking everywhere.
Yo, tell those people to stop buying from Amazon. To be like, I don't know about that.
All right, this is getting interesting up here. Considering we bounced like that, I'm thinking long.
Oh, I'm not shorting unless it comes down retest.
ES just keeps holding this freaking IAB high and bouncing. It's bounced off of it 3 times on the 2-minute. And it just, I don't know. It's just holding it.
I just feel like I don't know. The thing is, like, you should be up already. So, like, you shouldn't be like, I need to fucking trade. I need to trade. I don't know, man. It looks like it's just stalling out.
I'm taking a little long scalp here.
It's not a bad idea coming out of the 5-minute. Rise. From where? From prop firm to Rise or Rise to your bank?
Yo, shout out to Phidias for taking care of me, by the way. Not gonna lie. I'll tell you after the stream what they did for me just now.
Well,
but pretty fucking cool.
Did they give you more than 1,000 drawdown on a $4,500 profit target?
No, quit crying about it.
I'm just wondering.
You are just you. I don't know why you cry about it because I actually like those accounts.
Yo,
I actually do.
Did they owe
those
you?
are the ones.
Did they owe you $8,000 and push you live early?
By the way, I did read through the rules because they explained that to me. They pushed you. You hit the rules.
What are the rules? It's profit target of $75,000 or 3 payouts per account. I didn't either one.
No. It's 3 payout. It was 5 payouts total.
Bro.
And you hit over 5 payouts.
Bro. They were drooling to push me live and not pay me. That's
I think they paid you more than 5 payouts, didn't they?
Total?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was like 5 payouts within 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Listen, they were fucking drooling to get me off of their sim fucking funded at that point, probably. I don't know.
I think that's why they changed the rules. Now it's per account. It was 5 payouts total.
And then I had all the profit. I was like, well, what happens there? And like, oh, you didn't earn any of that. It's like,
well, that's any other prop firm for you.
Nah, man. Fucking Next Gen just gave me my money and refunded my accounts.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie. Fucking good in my book.
Lucid doesn't do that. Tradeify doesn't do that. Apex doesn't do that.
I am that long scalp paid off. Marie, if you're still in.
I just got it.
Yeah, that was nice.
150 bucks.
Damn. $50% offer still available. It might be for you. It was by how many times you use it. Give it a try. They were doing two per account.
Ooh, now it can come down without feeling bad.
Are you still doing the traders out to lunch?
What? You're doing traders at lunch?
Yeah, I don't know what he said. Sean, are you
Probably
no
spell check traders lunch.
Sean works for Traders Launch. He's, I don't know the exact title.
No, I love Traders Launch. I work with them. I mean, shoot, I was on a freaking call with Max the other day for like 3 hours talking about stuff.
You probably bought a bunch of accounts then. It's for the first 2 accounts, I believe. Unless they switched it. Did they switch it up? It was for the first 2 accounts for that promotional period. I think pros are 40% off for, I know that. I'll look. It was 50 though for 2 accounts. Maybe it's just 40.
Wait, when was that?
When they changed, they just every like month when they redo it, your first 2 accounts were 50% off Lucid. And then
I
after
don't
that,
see any promotions going on for them right now. At least not on their Discord. I haven't seen anything.
pros are 40% off.
Run a deal for the dailies.
I'm surprised they didn't run some crazy deal for the dailies, to be honest.
Well, dude, I listened to AJ when he did the announcement for it. And he's like, I don't even want to really like promote these super heavy because I don't like intraday myself.
Yeah.
He was kind of talking shit about the accounts himself.
And you know what problem it would happen is probably like all these people who are buying Take Profit Trader accounts and give them something similar.
Yeah, that's exactly what. Well, people kept asking for daily payout accounts, and he said the only way to make a sustainable model for like our actual business is to do intraday.
Yes, just made new high day.
Yep.
I got to assume that we're going to high a day here.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Create an SMT to the downside.
Order filled. Order filled.
See if this shit just pops here. I got a super tight fucking stop. Bro, ES is just ripping. This is why I don't trade off ES though. No. I'm gonna get stopped right here. I didn't even mean to really copy trade that. Switch to I'm just gonna try passing one of these. Straight pumping. I feel like this is just gonna chop back and forth up here for a fucking long ass time. We need a retest. Wait. Dakota has a new model, by the way. He found it in Thailand.
Oh, God.
Jeez, bro.
Is it the Lady Boy model? Marie, did you download that?
Yes, I did. The
This
prism.
work for you?
Oh
Yeah.
shit!
Oh, what happened there?
I don't know. That's.
Oh. Well then.
I mean, that was 40 points in a flash. What the? I'm looking.
Trump on Truth Social says Iranian leadership is unbelievably duplicitous, saying that they asked for a meeting and they would say beg, talks begin, with more scheduled in the immediate future, and they say openly and proudly that they're not having any discussions, that nothing is being talked about, and they're only dealing with Oman. So Trump just says that nothing gets through to Iran without
I would
US
love
approval.
for this thing to just drop. And
Nothing
bottom
gets
out.
through to Iran unless we want it to. Again, Iranian leadership is duplicitous.
Give us that pullback all the way to IB high.
I don't know. I mean, looks like you might.
So also Trump says the Hormuz is controlled by the US Navy.
Trump says the Strait's controlled by U.S. Navy.
Hell yeah.
That wouldn't make everything dump, would it?
No, I don't.
If you opposite.
I don't know.
Trump says that we are talking with solution to a problem that Iran caused.
Pipeline.
Our reserves fell by basically 3 million barrels, which is like 1%. Lowest
So
levels
Trump
since
says whether Iran
1983.
wants to admit it or not, we are in fact talking of a solution to a problem that they've caused for decades.
Maybe in the metaverse. Yo, remember when all that shit was hyped up? Fucking metaverse. Metaverse. Everything was metaverse this.
That was weird.
Metaverse that. Fucking buying land next to Snoop Dogg in the metaverse or whatever.
Our little
Board apes. Board ape world, outworld, or whatever they called it. All that shit. Remember all that?
Uh-huh.
Dude, there was people that bought NFTs for like thousands and thousands, and they're worthless.
Crazy. totally crazy.
Yeah, so stupid.
Everybody knew it was stupid.
I
Except for
knew. I
that
definitely
small
knew it was
percentage.
stupid.
Yeah.
Look at this fucking drop.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the retest.
I snagged $300 off of that.
I'm taking the retest at
Further from
664.
the headlines regarding to Anthropic being invited to the White House for tomorrow. According to sources familiar with the meeting, Anthropic is invited to the White House Tuesday to discuss AI safety testing by the US government. So, a reminder, earlier headlines were saying that the White House hosts AI companies on Tuesday to review framework that includes OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic.
Yo, I needed to close right here though.
Surely expecting the 6-month and 3-month bill auction data.
My crypto kitty wallet. What do you have? Your crypto prison wallet? What is that?
The prison wallet.
What's a crypto prison wallet?
Jim's never been to prison, but he keeps a prison wallet.
I'm playing the retest.
That'll be a good term to look up tonight on stream.
Prison wallet.
Well, we technically all have a prison wallet.
Yeah, but are you using yours to keep stuff in on the daily?
Marie's like, I dated a guy one time. He took me out on a date, and he pulled out his prison wallet.
Oh, jeez.
What?
What?
That's weird. Okay.
Sorry, Marie.
I tried to take this trade with Fidias, and it says I need market data. I haven't had that issue before.
On Ninja?
Yeah.
Order filled.
I've
Order
had that
filled.
issue with Ninja lately. On Lucid, Fidias, and Tradeify, where Ninja will just like cut off your data for some reason.
You got what's your lead account? What's your lead connection account?
Order filled.
Lucid.
Order filled.
You have an account with Lucid, right?
Oh, I have Lucid and then Apex. I'm not sure which one. Let me see if I can disconnect it and reconnect it.
Order
I
filled.
always just restart my Ninja or restart the connections, and that usually fixes it for a little bit.
Oh, I was wondering what this green line is.
I have a feeling Ninja and Tradeivy are going to have some issues coming up because they're working on that big ass update. So, yo, InQ just said, fuck that inversion. We're going right back up.
I don't think it's going right back up.
Three-month bill high yield of 3.75%. Bid cover of 2.61. 6-month bill high rate of 3.855%. Bid cover of 2.98. So the US selling $92 billion of 3-month bills and $79 billion of 6-month bills.
I guess I miss it.
Holy shit. Next Gen says live structure is done. Should be onboarding this week.
Oh, nice.
Hold on, I gotta hit my fucking alarm. You hear that beeping?
No.
No.
I actually don't this time.
All right, hold on a second.
So 3-month, the US awards 10.13% of bids at high. And for the 6-month, the US awards 65.4% of bids at high.
Yeah, this thing's going right back up. You're not missing anything, Marie.
Yeah. What a bummer. I have to figure out what happened.
This thing is just cruising right back up.
I'm sure just restarting will bring it back.
Yo.
Dude, this is crazy.
It's just cranking.
I thought for sure that we would go back and at least tap IB high again.
This is why I don't like trading shorts on that same thing. If I lose here, I probably will be done playing. See what happens. I really want to come down to the IB highs, what I really want. I mean, this is why you move all, like, look, none of my PA, I only have one PA account in this right now. It's like me managing risk. No wick on the high of the hourly candle.
Oh, yeah. That's interesting.
I don't care what it does. I just need it to, go below 50 where I can move to break even. It's kind of where it just bounced off of, but if it hits 30, I'm at break even. How's that sound? I'm toying with taking one off at like probably right there, actually. Just fucking letting it ride.
Oh, come on. Give us the dump.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm not like a huge short type of guy. I'm watching stochastics, so we start getting low and we're not pushing low, I'm fucking out. I can tell you that right now, especially if I can get out.
Oh, yeah. I don't usually take shorts. I'm surprised you took it.
I'm trying to turn over a new leaf here.
I got out. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. ES is cruising. Back up. I could be wrong, but
I hope you are.
I hope I am too, for your sake.
Doesn't seem it though.
It does not.
Whoa.
Yeah, I don't know what that is. Yes, it's definitely pumping.
I could take one for the team and go long, and then it'll push
Head
down.
of Iraq's state oil marketer SOMO says Iraq sold 42 million barrels of oil in July, according to an interview with local Iraqi television.
Oh, come on. Just give me that one fucking candle down. Just like you just gave a candle up like that, I need that candle down. I'll just get out.
What executive order is Trump signing today?
I don't know, man. The one that's gonna fuck me right here. Yeah, that one. Yeah, this is looking fucking. Yeah, big red candle to the downside. I had chances to get out.
Also, SOMO Head says that Iraq sold 35.5 million barrels from southern ports and 7 million from the Ceyhan terminal.
Jeez.
Okay.
ES is just ripping right now. New highs on the day.
I'm probably done.
Order filled. Order filled.
So I just got filled one. Let's see if I can flip this for some profit here.
The Trump mighty 3-finger bunghole bang.
What the fuck is that?
That's what Code just put in the chat.
Order filled.
Oh man, that shit's funny as hell.
I'll just try to flip in this shit.
Just go fucking DJ mode.
Nah, I'm just
to flip and get your profits.
Just fucking scalp it over and over and over in between.
Yeah.
Fuck, man, I'm probably going to be out on this shit. If I can just get a nice candle pushed down, I'm freaking out. Yes, is backing off a little bit. Oh, just another day. I mean, I'm just glad I didn't size up or anything on this. You know, I knew enough to fucking play small and not trade a bunch of funded accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Still, I don't want to lose.
If ES can get some downside movement, it'll pull NQ down with it.
Yeah, that candle looks like it's not. That candle needs to go red. It needs to get under like 106. That candle goes under 106, probably go back down to 7,600. It'll drag this thing down a little bit. It'll drag it down enough. That's all I need. I just need enough. We're not looking to get fancy here. We're just looking for enough.
We needed ES to close below 7,600.
I mean,
that
it
would have been
goes
freaking amazing.
It goes
Then we
below
would have had
7,600. I'm actually going to short ES. Honestly, I'm going to value add. I'm going to value add 2 up here. Just for a quick fucking back. All because I just didn't hold all because I just didn't hold, what do you call it, that fucking long from the freaking bottom today. Dude, I held that. I don't even know if I would trade anything the rest of the day. I should have been up like fucking $800 an account. ES popped, NQ did not. I hate when they do shit like that because if it popped just a little bit more, I'd have been able to flip 2 contracts for like 15 points. No. If ES would just start giving it up, this thing would tank.
AWS CEO says that he sees a shift in AI business from training to inference, and sees potential in AI business as just massive.
Oh, thanks.
Also
Cool.
says AWS sales growth fueled by AI labs, startups, and enterprises.
Cool. Just fucking pump that up. Thanks, dude.
So seeing according to shipping data, Venezuela's oil exports fell slightly to 1.16 million barrels per day in July. Exports of Venezuelan oil to the US increased to some 786,000 barrels per day in July. Oil to India fell to some 178,000 barrels per day in July. And oil to Europe fell to some 82,200 barrels per day in July. Again, all according to shipping data.
I passed my account today. I'm funded. Yeah. Bro, if ES would just stop. Yo, do you see ES is just pumping and NQ is not? Are you watching it?
I'm not.
No.
The second that stopped pumping, this shit is over. It's, dude, ES just put in a massive fucking candle. Really? You couldn't get my order right there and then let me flip fucking for 15 points? Every little ES little pullback, NQ pulls back like a good amount. Just need to see a solid fucking pullback. Need like a 10-point pullback. I can't believe that the live structure is going to be live this week at fucking Next Gen.
That's pretty crazy. I'm assuming because they've had so many people hit their max or whatever.
I need NQ to underperform right now. I know. That's why I thought it would take Next Gen forever. I'm shocked that it's up and running already. Unless they've been working on it for a while. Man, this market kind of sucks. Anybody eat anything good for lunch?
No.
Man, if we can get back under 60, this would be freaking sweet. On my way to the Waffle House.
Order filled.
I'm
Order
just-
filled. Order
I'm just
filled.
fucking out. I'm just out. This is not.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm out on the whole setup. That's okay. To me, at least. Honestly, ES just keeps pumping like this. I mean, NQ is probably going to go. You watching it?
Mm-hmm.
You're kind of breaking this. This is where I got worried, and I'm getting bullish. You're kind of breaking this trend. I almost want to take like 2 micros and just.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I did that in the wrong fucking account.
Order filled. Order filled.
See, this is what I thought was going to happen. Why I got out. they pop this over 800, this shit's fucking gone. This goes over 800 right here, shit's gone. Watch, what is that? Oh, my bad, 805.
Ooh.
Order filled.
I'm out on that. I don't know why
Order filled.
let me just follow this up real fast. Just like that, you turn your account green.
That's crazy. Look at that.
This is one of those things that you have to recognize when you're wrong. Get out and go the other way.
Oh yeah.
I don't think people do that enough. They're like, oh man, I just got to stay in my short. It's okay to sell your short out and go fucking long. Especially if the setup is there. I think people get like, oh no, I can't do that. I took it off of 5-minute IFVG retest, and I'm okay with that. You had lower highs, created it on a 5-minute, came back, retested it, and then this push, you really wanted to see lower lows, and we didn't get that. I'm okay with that. I turned it all back green. Listen, it is what it is. I should have held fucking from early this morning. I'm going to get some lunch.
All right, peace out.
I'm out, everybody. I'll be back at 2. I am
Bye.
out. Peace. Remember, don't trade at lunch. Your portfolio could take a punch. Just remember that. But yeah, I'll hang out. I'll be in the Discord if you guys are hanging out there. I'll be back at 2:00. And yeah, I'm out. This shit's not really, wait for a real setup, guys. Seriously.